Today I'm going to show you some features you might not be aware of, show you quickly how to use them. Let's say I'm in my chart of accounts and I filter down to a specific account like unabsorbed, and I want to see the balances for this month in all three of those accounts. I can simply check all three of those accounts, open them, and I can navigate through them by going bing, bing, bing. So it's that simple. So if I want to look at those accounts again, you can select multiple accounts in your chart of accounts and then say open selected, and that'll bring up all three of those accounts. And you can see the balances and you can drill into the accounts from there. So that's one way to do it. A second thing that I want you to know is, let's say you're looking through transactions for a specific period or specific date, and then you want to actually see all the transactions on that date. You can pull the date up into the header, and then that allows you to search. And then let's say you're looking at a specific account, you want to drill into a specific account, you can do that. And then now you can look at that account, and then you can close and you can go back and you can look. Now you might say, hey, my GL account detail closes as soon as I open an account. Well, that could be your setup. So you're going to go into your settings, you're going to go into your name in the upper right in 18.1, you're going to click on it, you're going to go into settings, you're going to go into profile, and you're going to look at preferences. This takes a second to load the screen, but you're going to look at those preferences, you're going to look at the search options, and you're going to make sure your keep search open is on. That'll leave the search open window open behind your screen so that anytime you drill into an account, it's still back there, scrolled to the appropriate position and everything. So that should be nice for you. Let me know if that helps you. Thanks a lot. Bye.